I am from Naipunya Vikasam. My name is K. Parvati, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer at Rajahmundry in East Godavari district. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about understanding aspirations 2. In understanding aspirations 1, you have learned to identify positive qualities in others and develop an appreciation for people in your lives. Now, this session provides exposure about the wide variety of options for careers available. Also helps you in choosing the profession what you would like to be. Discussing about who I would like to be, some children are very good at choosing their aspiration. They are very clear too. But many children are in confusing state to understand their aspiration. Okay, what is an aspiration? Aspiration means a hope or ambition of achieving something. After this session, you will explore another aspect of yourselves. You will explore and think about your dreams and aspirations. But before that, you have to listen and implement the activities discussed in the session. If you follow them, you can surely understand your aspiration. First activity: make a list of 5 adults you know and the professions each of them is in. Next, think what you want to be when you grow up. Here you can think of more than one thing you wish to be or do. This exercise allows you to innovate and gives you an opportunity to create a positive self-image by projecting yourself into the future and seeing yourself in positive light. Now, the next one in this is examples of professions given for each letter from A to Z. Let's watch them. With letter A, astronaut and actor. Astronaut: a person who is trained to travel on a spacecraft. Actor: I have no need to explain you. You all know very well. Now, letter B, businessman and banker. Businessman, this also you know well. Next profession is banker, the person who manages, works at bank. You might have visited banks, right? You know the procedures there. The person, those who involves in works at bank or bankers. Now with letter C, cosmetologist, comedian. Cosmetologist: these are the trained and licensed persons to perform cosmetic treatments to the hair, skin and nails. Comedian, you know very well, one kind of actor who entertains us. Now coming to letter D, dentist, defense person. Dentist is a person who is qualified to treat diseases and other conditions that affect the teeth and gums, especially the repair and extraction of teeth and the insertion of artificial ones. Coming to defense person. Defense means protecting. Personnel of Army, Navy and Air Force comes under this. Coming to letter E, engineer and educationist. You know very well about this profession, engineers. There are different kinds of engineers. coming to educationist, teachers, professors, lecturers, instructors, etc. all comes under this category. Next, with letter F, fashion designer and farmer. Fashion designing is the art of applying design, aesthetics, and natural beauty to clothing and its accessories. A person who does that is a fashion designer. Farmer. We know who is a farmer. He is the backbone of our society. He is the one who provides us all the food that we eat. Coming to letter G, geologist and guide. A geologist is a scientist who studies the solid, liquid, and gaseous matter that constitutes the Earth and the other terrestrial planets, as well as the process that shape them. Guide, a person employed to show tourists around places of interest. Coming to H, hotelier and house painter. Hotelier, a person who owns or manages a hotel. House painter, name itself tells that a person who paints house. Letter I, information technologist. Information technologist is a person who involving in the development, maintenance, and use of computer systems, software, and networks for the processing and distribution of data. Next profession is investigator. The name itself tells that it deals with investigation. A person who carries out a formal inquiry or investigation is an investigator. Next, coming to J, journalist and judge. Journalist is a person who writes for newspapers, magazines, or news websites, or prepares news to be broadcast. And coming to judge, judge is a person, a public officer appointed to decide cases in a law court. Coming to letter K, kinesiologist and kite maker. Kinesiologist is a person who specializes in the science of human movement. Kite maker, someone who makes kites. Next, coming to letter L, librarian and lyricist. Lyricist is a person who writes the words to a song, simply a songwriter. Librarian, a person in charge of or assisting in a library. Coming to letter M, musician, mathematician. Musician is a person who plays a musical instrument, especially as a profession or in musically talented. Mathematician, an expert in or student of mathematics. Coming to letter N, nurse and numerologist. Nurse, a person trained to care for the sick, especially in hospital. Numerologist, a believer in numerology or a person who has a religious faith. Next, coming to letter O, obstetrician and orthodontist. Obstetrician is a doctor with special training in how to care for pregnant women and help in the birth of babies. Coming to orthodontist, a dentist who is qualified to treat irregularities in the teeth and jaws. Next, coming to letter P, pilot and policeman. Pilot, a person who operates the flying controls of an aircraft. Policeman or woman, a male or female member of a police force. Coming to letter Q. Quilt maker. A maker of quilts. Now with letter R. Racer and rockster. Racer. A person or a thing that races. Coming to rockstar, a famous and successful singer or performer of rock music. Now coming to letter S. Sportsman, scientist. Now sportsman, a person who is involved in sports. Scientist, a person who studies, specializes or investigates a field of science and does scientific work. Next coming to letter T. Teacher and tool maker. Teacher, a person who teaches and helps students to acquire knowledge, competency or virtue. Tool maker, a person who makes and maintains tools for use in a manufacturing process. Next coming to U. Letter U. Urban planner and ufologist. Urban planner. Urban planner reviews site plans submitted by developers. Ufologist. Ufology is a science, is a study of unidentified flying objects. The person who does that is called ufologist. Next, coming to V. V for veterinarian. A person who qualified to treat diseased or injured animals. Video game developer. Video game developer take a designer's concepts and build them into a playable game for users. Coming to letter W. Web developer and wood carver. A person who develops applications designed to be used in the internet is a web developer. Wood carver, a person who is skilled at wood carving. Next coming to X. Xylophonist, X-ray technician. Xylophonist, a person who plays or performs with the xylophone. X-ray technician, a technician who specializes in taking and processing X-rays, especially in hospitals or clinic. Coming to letter Y. Yodeling is a form of singing. Who does that is a yodeler. Next coming to youth worker. A youth worker is a person that works with young people to engage them in informal education. Next coming to Z. Zookeeper and zoologist. Zookeeper is employed in a zoo as an animal attendant. Zoologist is a person who scientifically studies animals. I think now you came to know various professions that can be taken up as careers. Now list at least 20 more examples. Okay, now focus on the 3 questions given in the assignment. This activity will help you to understand how much you know and the things you need to find out. Write 3 things you know about any one profession of your choice. Write 3 things you would like to know about the profession of your choice. Next, think for 3 ways finding out more information about the professions you wish to pursue. And this is about the availability of careers and these are the activities helps you to understand your aspirations. So explore yourself to explore what would you like to be. Assess yourself the best and be the best. Thank you.